Chris Kriesman with the Campus Cruiser Cart. Your Campus Cruiser carts, each pallet will come with an instruction sheet to help you understand how to do it. I'm going to walk you through it today. It only takes about a minute to do each cart, and I'm going to try to slow it down so you can follow along in the video. So take your base cart, put it wheels down, take your sidewalls, open them up so that it's square, slide the sidewalls down into the frame. There's a groove provided in the cart. Then take your provided heavyweight zip ties, push them through both the frame and the sidewalls. This can be done either inside or outside the cart, whatever is easiest for you. And pull it tight. You want to have it tight so it holds it together. Same thing on the other side. You want to make sure that the zip ties are not twisted, otherwise they're more likely to break. This just holds the sidewalls onto the base cart during operation and allows you to lift it up over curbs and obstacles that might be in your way. We do not recommend that you lift this full of items, as it could be 200, 250 pounds and could be dangerous. We do also recommend that you push the cart instead of pulling it, and otherwise it will handle just about any weight that a regular move-in would have.